Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Parashar. Welcome back to the channel. To work with Mule applications and start designing APIs and developing integration solutions, you need to have an Anypoint Platform account, which is an integration platform as a service provided by MuleSoft. It's very simple to create a free trial account. Just simply go to anypoint.mulesoft.com and click on sign up. Fill in the details and you'll get a code to your email address. Provide that code and you will be able to log into your Anypoint Platform account. You can use the same email address multiple times. You just need to choose a different username every time you create a platform account. At least this is the case as of now in 2023. Second thing which is crucial to have is an Anypoint Studio, which is an IDE to develop Mule applications on your local machine. Anypoint Studio comes with a default runtime server where you can deploy your Mule projects locally and test them. Downloading and running Anypoint Studio is really simple as well. Just go to this particular website, fill this form and click on download. A download link will be sent to your email address. Download the Anypoint Studio, then extract the files. Once all the files are extracted, then you need to run the anypointstudio.exe. Third recommended download and installation is of Advanced REST client, which is a Mule recommended REST client, but if you want, you can use Postman as well. But if you want to install Advanced REST client, then you can go to advancedrestclient.com and you can follow this process to install it. We can create Salesforce trial account as well, but we'll do it later in the course when we will work with Salesforce connector. Now let me give you a brief overview of Anypoint Studio and Anypoint Platform. So this is how your Anypoint Studio looks like. On the left, there is Package Explorer where you will have all your Mule projects. Then in the middle, you will have Mule Canvas where you will do the actual development of your business logic. And on the right side, it's called Mule Palette where you have different modules, different connectors that you can utilize to complete your business logic. So now let's go to our Anypoint platform. So this is the home page of our Anypoint platform. It has so many features. It is a one-stop shop for all your integration needs. You can design your API specifications, you can deploy them, you can mock test them using Designer. We have API Manager to secure add policies. We have Visualizer and monitoring in order to monitor the deployed applications, create different dashboards and everything. We will try to learn everything that we see here in the Anypoint platform as part of this tutorial series. So this is it for this video. Now we have everything that we need in order to start the development and start learning Mule for real. So thank you so much for your time. Take good care of yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.